चलो बच्चा लोग जल्दी से आंसर करो, फटाफट, जल्दी जल्दी। चंगू मंगू चिंटू पिंटू सब लोग आंसर करो। एंड गाइस यू don't understand Hindi, I'm not talking very serious about anything, I'm just blabbering something, so you don't have to worry about that in which language I'm talking something. ठीक है, चलो. So Vishwa has answered, Tanmay has answered, so few of you have already attempted this. Solve करते हैं, right? So a man can swim at a speed of 3 km per hour in still water. What is this 3 km per hour, guys? Tell me. What is this 3 km per hour? See, here we have to replace boat with the swimmer or the man. So I'll write VMR. ठीक है, VMR. because boat नहीं है ना, तो VBR VMR लिखते हैं. ठीक है. He wants to cross a 500 meter wide river flowing at 2 km per hour. So what is VR? So guys, those who will be attentive today, I can make sure that I can give this surety to you guys that you'll never get problem in riverboat problem if you attend today's class sincerely. Okay? Because we are going to solve some standard questions, and you'll never face difficulty in solving JEE Main numerical or NEET numerical from this topic. Okay? So thoda sa attentive रहना, be sincere and be responsive as well. What is the value of W? W is 500 meters. Since velocities are given to us in terms of kilometer per hour, so it will be better if you convert this into kilometer only. So half kilometer. He keeps himself away at an angle of 120 degree with the river flow. Okay? So let us say this is the river flow. So with this river flow at 120, right? So what will be the direction of VMR? So direction of VMR will be something like this. So this whole angle with this VR and this VMR, this whole angle is 120. So what will be the angle made by VMR with the normal? 30, right? Chalo. Find the time he takes to cross the river. First, tell me the formula, guys. It's a revision. Tell me what is the formula for time to cross the river? W divided by क्या है बच्चा लोग? VBR. तो यहाँ क्या होगा? VMR into cos theta or sin theta? It was cos theta. Right? Vertical displacement divided by component or vertical component of velocity, or y component, displacement along y component divided by component of velocity along y. ठीक है, तो VMR cos theta. Put all the values. So half into VMR is 3 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So answer is 1 by 3 root 3 hour. This is the answer. Alright guys, so most of you have got this answer. What about second question? Second question is, at what point on the opposite bank will he arrive? So at what point on the opposite bank will he arrive? That means we have been asked to find out the value of x. Once you'll find the value of x, I can tell that value of x from this opposite end. If this x is there, so if x is positive, I'll say this is the point at which the man will reach. If x you have got is negative, then the man will reach somewhere here, negative x. ठीक है? चलिए, तो find out the value of x. Guys, tell me the formula for x. बोलो बच्चा लोग, what is the formula for x? VR minus VBR sin theta. तो VR minus VMR sin theta into time taken. What is the time taken? W divided by into CRT लिखता हूं, बाद में वैल्यू पुट कर दूंगा. ठीक है? So VR का वैल्यू कितना बच्चा? तो 2 minus VMR कितना? 3. Sin theta कितना? 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 root 3. All right? Yeah, you should remember the standard formula, bachcha. Correct. You should remember the standard formula. 2 minus 3 by 2. is nothing but 1 by 2 because 2 minus 1.5 is 0.5, that is 1 by 2. So 2 नीचे आएगा. So what is the correct answer, guys? So 1 by 6 root 3 kilometers. Now guys, click yes if you have understood this. There's nothing to understand, you just have to use the formula. So this was a question based purely on the formula. ठीक है? No Tarak Gupta. If the angle given to you is with the river flow, yeah, acha, you are telling me this. If the angle made by this VMR is given to you with the river flow, then you can use cos theta in terms of sin theta and sin theta in terms of cos theta. Correct. But don't get confused, Tarak Datta. Use only one convention. Okay? All right, guys. Now let us move on to next question. Try to get the answer for this one. A 400 meter wide river is flowing at the rate of 2 meters per second. Are you sure, Tanmay? Because I'm not that sure. A 400 meter wide river is flowing at the rate of 2 meters per second. A boat is sailing with a velocity of 10 meters per second with respect to the water in a direction perpendicular to the flow. First question. Find a time taken by the boat to reach the opposite bank. ठीक है? जल्दी से आंसर करो. Abhishek, that angle will be given to you, but in the formula that theta is the angle with the normal only. Correct. The formula that we have derived, in that formula, the angle is that theta is the angle made with the normal only. Otherwise, you will get wrong answers. So Aditya, Rahul, Parikshit, then Tanmay, they have given the answer for first one. Rahul has given the answer for second one also. All right. Tell me, guys, what is the angle theta here? What is the angle theta here? Theta kitna idhar? 0. The angle is what? In which direction the boat is sailing? It's normal to the river. So in our derivations, in our formulas, the theta was the angle made by VBR with the normal. Here that is 0. So theta is 0. So use that formula here. So अय्यो ये कौन चिल्ला रे? इतना जोर चिल्लाता है सब लोग. देखो बच्चा लोग बहुत बदमाश होता है रे. टाइम टेकन कितना हो जाएगा? So W divided by VBR cos of theta, and cos theta is 1 here because theta is 0. W कितना है बच्चा लोग? Tell me the value. W 400 meters divided by VBR कितना है बच्चा लोग? So VBR is, where is VBR? Boat is sailing with a velocity of 10 meters per second with respect to water. So 10 cos theta 1. So what is the answer? 40 second, because everything is what? In meter per second, meters. So second mein answer aayega. What about the second one? How far from the point directly opposite to the starting point does the boat reach the opposite bank? That means find the value of x. क्या formula बच्चा लोग याद करो? Close your eyes and try to remember the formula. VR minus VBR sin theta into time taken. So what is VR? Look at the question here. VR is 2. So 2 minus, what is VBR here? 10. What is sin theta here? 0. Because theta is 0, so sin theta is 0. Into time, 40. So 40 into 2, 80. So what is the answer? 80 meter. Guys, click yes if you have understood the solution for these two questions. And guys, tell me your opinion about this topic. Is it tough? If you remember the basic formulas, if you understand them, the questions, the solutions for these questions will be extremely easy. You don't have to worry a lot about this, much about this. बहुत ही आसान है, ठीक है? Completely. चलिए, third one. See. What is the question, guys? Tell me. In what direction does the boat actually move? Abhishek, look at the question. Na question se samajh mein aayega na. Abhishek is asking, sir, what are the cases when we should find x? Bacha, I can't teach you that part. First of all, I'm giving you a very honest answer here. This has to come from your side. This you have to understand. Then you have to find X. I believe you know how to read it, and you know how to understand you know how to read the English part, and you understand English also. So read the question properly. You'll get to know when you have to find X. What is the question here? How far from the point? How far from the point directly opposite to the starting point does the boat reach the opposite bank? Matlab kya hai? If this is the river, this is common sense, Abhishek, and all those who are having this doubt. If this is the starting point and this is the opposite point of the starting point, I have asked how far from this point the boat is going to reach the opposite bank. That means from this point, what is the distance at which the boat will come? So what is this distance called? That is called as X, the drift. So do I need to teach you when do you want to find X? No, bacha. It's simple. You should know what is X and you should know what is the question. That's it. You'll get the answer. All right. Chaliye. Give me the answer for third one, guys. In what direction does the boat actually move? Thank you, Abhishek. Bolo bacha, how will you find it? Share me the approach. Share me your approach. How will you find in what direction does the boat actually move? Can I say the direction of boat is nothing but the direction of VR? Guys, let me know if you have any doubt in this, because this is very, very important. Tell me, how do you find a direction of motion of any particle? What do you mean by direction of motion? What is the meaning of direction of motion? Sorry for this. Direction of motion is nothing but direction of velocity. If velocity of a particle is along east, then what is direction of motion? Along east. If direction of velocity of a particle is along x-axis, what is direction of motion? Along x-axis. Can I say direction of motion is nothing but the direction of velocity? In this question, they have asked in what direction does the boat actually move? That means what is the direction of velocity of the boat? So question mein kya pucha hai bachcha aapse? Guys, did you understand this part? Direction of velocity of boat. That means you have to give what is the direction of VR cap. Representation के लिए, right? चलिए कैसे निकालेंगे बच्चा? What is the direction of VR? Sorry, VB, not VR, VB cap. VR क्या है? So this is VR. Guys, please look at the graph. Look at the diagram carefully, and first you try to draw it, and then please pay attention on the vector diagram here. Let us say this is VR. All right. Acha. What is VBR, guys? What is VBR? It's given to us like this, right? Let me make it VR chota, because VR is thoda chota, right? All right, this is VBR. Tell me, bachcha log, how should I draw VB vector? Bahut important hai, extremely important. But you can say this is a revision also for vector diagram. Okay, for vector diagram, this is revision for your vector diagram as well. Tell me, bacha, how will you find velocity of boat? Because velocity of river is given to you, velocity of boat with respect to river is also given to you. How will you find velocity of boat with respect to ground? That is VB. कैसे निकालोगे? जल्दी बताओ. Come on, guys, take your time, but let me know the approach. I'm not going to proceed further if you're not going to give me an answer. Algebra of vector, all right? So Tanmay is answering tail of VB should be at the head of VBR. Acha, let us see. देखो बच्चा, we are going to use triangle rule of addition or rule of addition only. ठीक है? देखो ध्यान से. What is VBR? If I ask you to write VBR, how will you write VBR? Can I say VBR is nothing but VB vector minus VR vector? All right, guys? Acha, if I ask you to find VB, कैसे निकालोगे? So VB will be equal to VBR plus VR. All right. So if you know these two vectors and if you have to add these two to get VB, Can't we use triangle rule of addition, the extremely easiest one? ठीक है? Tell me guys, how do you use triangle rule of addition? Because you have to add VBR and VR to get VB. The direction of VBR is given to you, direction of VR is given to you. How will you get VB? Come on guys, share the approach, share the concept for triangle rule of addition. Please let me know. I'm waiting for your answer guys. जल्दी से बताओ कैसे निकालते हो? How do you use triangle rule of addition? What is the method? What is the approach? नहीं बताओगे मैं रुका रहूंगा ऐसे ही हाथ बांध के and I'll just wait for you. Don't tell me the final answer, Vineet. Tell me how do you use triangle rule of addition to find the resultant. Here resultant is VB and A and B are given to you. You can consider this is A vector, this is B vector, this is R vector. Gajni log, look at your tattoos which you have written or which you have put on your shoulders, on your bodies. Look at your tattoos. Gajnis, jaldi se batao. Draw the vectors to be added in the same order. पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है? पहला मेथड क्या है बच्चा? Draw the vectors should be added to be added in same order. What are the vectors that has to be added? That have to be added VBR and VR. So draw them in same order. What is the meaning of same order, bachcha log? So tail of second vector should be at the head of first vector. If you have drawn these two vectors in that way, we can say that those two vectors have been drawn in same order. Okay? So tail of second vector is at the head of first one. So I can say that these two vectors have been drawn in same order. Acha. How will you get the resultant? How will you get the resultant? The third one closing the triangle in reverse order. The third line, the third arrowed line closing the triangle in reverse order will be the resultant vector. So now whether should I consider this line or this second one? Bolo bacha, if this is the first one, this is the second one. Which arrowed line will represent the resultant vector? The first one, right? So draw that first vector. Draw that arrowed line here. This is VR. This is VB. Now, Gajni log, tell me, am I clear to all of you? Bacha log, click yes if you have understood this and everything looks fine to you. Clear hai? यही बताने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. मालूम है विनीत. I know few of you know the answer. But this was a revision for those जिनका tattoo मिट गया है हाथ पर से. ठीक है? Those who cannot read their tattoos again. So you know the feeling, like how why do I say Gajni to you? You know the meaning, right? You know the feeling. Because just few days back we have studied these and most of you don't know how to use triangle rule of addition. So that is why I say Gajni to the students. Okay? So don't mind these things. But anyway, I'm going to say these things just for the fun sake. Alright guys, now tell me what is the direction of VB here. What is the value of this? Northeast. Yeah, north मैंने बताया नहीं. Dhanishri, these are the blunders. These are the mistakes that you are committing. Did I say that this is north? No. Did I say this is east? No. Did I say this is south? No. You cannot say direction in terms of northeast. Alright guys. So this is VR is what? कितना है बच्चा? 2 है ना? So 2. VBR is 10. So you have to give the angle made by VB with the reference line. Here, there are two references here. One of them is VR, other one is VBR. You can give any of the angle. You can give any of the angle. All right? Yes, Targata. You can say that the boat is going to move in a line making an angle theta with the flow of river. Or you can say, since VBR is the normal to the flow, you can also say that the boat is going to move along a line making an angle beta with the normal to the flow. So both of these can be given to us. Both of these can be the answer for this. All right. Let us give the answer for the angle made by this boat with the flow of river. Tell me guys, what is tan theta here? Bolo bachalo, what is tan theta here? Tan theta is 5. Correct. Very good. Tan theta is 5. So what is theta here? tan inverse phi. So what will I write as the direction? So boat will move in a direction making an angle theta with the flow of river. Now guys, click yes if you have understood the meaning of direction and the calculation of direction of the boat. But chalo, click yes if you have understood this. Come on guys, please respond to this. I'm going extremely slow. I'm taking care of all the aspects here. Please respond to me. Am I clear to all of you? Okay? So if you have been asked a question like this, will you be able to answer this, guys? हो जाएगा? कोई दिक्कत है क्या, guys? Do you have any doubt? Any problem? No? ठीक है. चलिए, so let us now solve one more numerical then. Try to get an answer for this one. Targata, you can do that. But there are few formulas that are standard. They're very, very common in almost all the conditions. Targata, you can do that. Like you can use the basic formulas of relative motion and equation. You can do that. There is no issue. If you ask me personally, I have never ever remembered the formulas. And that is why whenever I'll be solving a question, I never ever talk about any short trick or something of that sort. Because in physics, there can be a lot of possibilities. Okay? But there are few standard formulas that you should remember. That is a time taken. So the standard conditions, and for that, the standard formulas that you should remember. That will make your life easier. Okay? Are you getting my point, Tariq Datta? And all of you guys, few of you have this thing in mind, that do we need to remember all the formulas? No, you don't have to remember all the formulas. But there are few standard conditions that we come across. And for those standard conditions, if we have a formula to make our life easier, we should remember them. We should remember them. All right. If we are talking about some specific cases that are which are not that general, which are not that common, so we don't have to remember the formula. We just have to understand the concept. But since riverboat problem is very, very common phenomenon and question asked frequently from this topic, so that is why I'll consider this condition as a standard condition, and the formulas used here will be standard one. ठीक है बच्चा लोग, चलिए इस सवाल का आंसर. Try to get the answer for this question. Guys, have you seen this question ever anywhere? Because few of you were answering me that said this question is from DC Pandey, this question is from H.C. Verma, this question from this book, this is कहाँ दिखा बताओ? HCV. All right, let us find out. देखते हैं. So very good guys, I'm very, very happy that you guys are referring some books. Very good, keep it up. I'm very, very happy that you guys are referring some books. Keep it up, बहुत बढ़िया, मजा आ रहा है. So this is why I have some expectations from you guys. Sorry to say that, don't get overstressed, but I have a lot of expectations from this batch. Believe me guys, I never ever say this to anybody, but I have a lot of expectations from this batch, and that is why I sometimes get angry also on few of you, that you should not be committing silly mistakes. You should not be answering without thinking twice. Okay? So anyway, answer करो इसका जल्दी से. A man wishing to cross a river flowing with velocity u jumps at an angle theta with river flow. Find the net velocity of the man with respect to ground if he can swim with velocity v in still water. तो पहले तो net velocity बता दो क्या होगा. That means what is the net velocity of the man with respect to ground? What is vm? If he can swim with velocity v in still water. बोलो बच्चा. Now question is, चलो पहले आप लोग attempt कर लो. First you attempt this, then we'll figure out the answer. अच्छा, do we need to use no Sakshi? It's completely incorrect. Give me the answer in terms of the values, na? V, U, theta, and all those things. Give me the answer in terms of V, U, and theta. Guys, do we need to use the same formula that we have used earlier, or we have to change something here? There's a slight change here. This slight thoda sa change is there, and that most of the student doesn't find that change. And there the students get, there you can actually bifurcate the one who is having very good IQ and those who will be having a thoda sa average IQ. Those who can, and those who will remember the conditions, and those who will just mug it up. These are the questions that will bifurcate something. Do we need to change something or not? And if yes, tell me what are the changes that we have to apply. And if no, it's okay. Enjoy, Madi. No issues. Tanmay, what is your answer, bacha? I doubt that. That might be correct. Yeah, correct. No issues. First of all, tell me, I'm not interested in the answer. First of all, I need to find the guys, to find the students, those who can figure out the difference. This is not the same condition that we have already studied. There's slight change in here. एक छोटा सा change होगा. Figure out that change. Yash, what is that change? Tell me. What we have to change here? Let me take some names here. Aman, Aditya, then Yash, Meghna, Tarak Datta, Devdutt, Vishwa, Vineet. Tell me, guys, what will be the changes? Michelle, then Mohanish, Mayank Sharma, then Ninad, Sneha, and Shweta, and Srinivas. Come on, guys. Tell me what will be the change. Saksha, you also tell me what will be the change. No, Sajit, the angle is not 0. Yeah, it's given angle is theta. That theta is not a single value. That theta is the kind of value that has been given to you. To assume that theta we should assume as acute or obtuse. कुछ नहीं दिया होता तो acute मान के काम करते हैं. Ground will, yeah, ground से तो सही तो पूछा है ना. One of you have answered, I think. Anis have answered something. देखो बच्चा लोग. See, when we consider the condition for riverboat problem, the theta that we consider was the angle made by the VBR or VMR with the normal. Here, what is theta? यहाँ theta क्या है? Theta is the angle with the river flow. समझ में आया? अच्छा. Now there are two angles possible. Theta दो तरीके का है. कैसा दिखाता हूँ देखो. One of you have already mentioned that part. Has asked one question related to that. Let us say this is the river. Guys, don't get afraid. Don't think this is complicated. This is very, very easy. Believe me, guys. This is very, very easy. Now, if this is VR, this is the direction VR. So this is also VR, direction VR. I can have VBR as man hai ya boat hai? Man hai. I can have VMR as this direction, or I can have VMR as this direction, and this I can say pura theta. Tell me, what should I assume? The first one or the second one? But what should I assume? The first one or the second one? Come on, guys, tell me the answer. See, consider the first one. Depending on the value of theta, second one will automatically be covered. Okay? Consider this as an acute angle. If this will be an obtuse angle, automatically everything will be covered. बताता हूँ कैसे होगा, don't worry. So now in the formula, let's see, we have already considered the case where the VMR or VBR will be in this direction. So upstream में होता था. Now what if the velocity of man or the boat with respect to river is along downstream with an angle theta? What will change? क्या change आएगा? Can I say when we have figured out the x component of Vm or Vb, when we have figured out, yaad karo, x component of Vb, so x component of Vbr was what? Negative. X component of Vbr was negative. But here what will happen? The x component of Vbr or Vmr is along Vr only. So instead of finding, when we are finding x value, when we are finding x value and x was Vr minus Vbr sine theta, instead we should be writing plus only. Got my point, guys? And instead of writing this, if this is theta, the angle this will be 90 minus theta. So that is the only change that you have to figure out. Take it, chalo. So in this case, if I ask you what is the, let us solve all the questions one by one. You'll get to know what are the changes we have to imply, like we have to include here. First one. Velocity of man with respect to ground. Again, same. So let's copy this. This is VMR and this is VR. What is the angle between them? Theta. What is Vm, bacha? So Vm is equal to VMR plus VR. So what is the magnitude of Vm? Square root of VMR square plus VR square plus 2 VMR into VR cos of theta. Put the value. What is VMR, bachalo? What is VMR? V or U? River is flowing with U and velocity of the man with respect to river is V. V square plus U square plus 2U into V cos of theta. So guys, tell me how many of you have got this answer? So those who have got this answer, they are completely correct. Well done, guys. Keep it up. बहुत बढ़िया. ठीक है? चलिए, now let us move on to next question. Very good, Tanmay. In what direction does the man actually move? Second question is, in what direction does the man actually move? कैसे जाएगा? Very good, Mohammed. The man will move in direction of Vm, right? The man will move in direction Vm. Then what direction? So find the direction of Vm. Second question is, we have to find direction of Vm. That will be the answer. Draw the vector sum, right? Draw the vector part. So let us draw this VMR here. So this is VMR. Let us draw VR here. How we need to add them? How we need to draw them? We have to draw them in same order. This is VR. This is VMR. And VM will be this one. Now my question is, how will you find the answer? VM कैसे निकालोगे? Tell me, guys, how will you find VM value? The direction, VM direction. Tell me, guys, how will you find the direction VM? जल्दी से बता. See, that was one of the way that we have figured out there. But here, how will you find VM? Come on, guys, I'm waiting for your responses here. If you don't have any response, if you don't know, at least tell me. Like tell me that, sir, we can't. I can't. बोलो बच्चा लोग, जल्दी से आंसर करो. No, Sachiti, no, not at all. Correct. One way is this. Find out the angle. How do you find angle of resultant? Angle made by resultant with any of the vector. कैसे निकालते हो? So we find if this is the angle theta or alpha, angle made by Vm with VR. So I'll say tan alpha is equal to, this is the angle made by Vm with VR. So here I'll write VMR, sine of angle between them is theta. So theta divided by VR plus VMR cos theta. So who has given this answer? So I think Meghna has given this answer. Very good, Meghna. Keep it up. Vineet has also given the answer. Target has also given the answer. Chaliye. Now, what is the value of VMR? To V. What is the value of theta? Sine theta divided by U plus V cos of theta. What is alpha, guys? Alpha is the angle made by VM with VR. Or you can say that this is the direction, or this is the angle made by direction of motion of boat or man with flow of river. Guys, click yes if you have understood the direction part here. Clear hai? So we are just applying the concept of vector. ठीक है, हम क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? वेक्टर एडिशन का कॉन्सेप्ट यूज कर रहे हैं. हाउ डू यू फाइंड रिजल्टेंट? हाउ डू यू फाइंड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ रिजल्टेंट? दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव डन इन दीस टू क्वेश्चंस. First, we have figured out the magnitude of direction resultant, and second, we have figured out the direction of resultant. That is what we have done. So, guys, as I have already as I always uttered this, that vector is very, very important for your physics. So, please never ever forget anything about vectors. If you forget about vectors, physics will forget you. Actually, it'll never ever, physics will never ever come to your side. Physics will always be a haunting subject for you. So I request all of you to be very good in vectors and in calculus. Okay? Yes, Vinit, very good then. Third question. Tell me, guys. Find how far from the point directly opposite to the starting point does the man reach the opposite bank? Find how far from the point directly opposite to the starting point does the man reach the opposite bank if width of the river is d. तो क्या लिखेंगे फॉर्मूला बच्चा लोग? In this case, what will be the x? Now Abhishek or someone else who has asked me, when do we find x, sir? Yeah, in this case we have to find x, the distance of the point from the opposite point, or like from a point on the opposite bank. So we are instead of minus we have to write plus. Sine of what is the angle made by the VMR with the normal? That is 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta, right? Into d divided by VMR cos of, instead of theta I should write 90 minus theta. because angle made by, क्या हो गया? All right. So angle made by this VMR with normal is 90 minus theta. So I have to replace that with 90 minus theta also. Chale, now figure it out. Get the answer. VR is U. So U plus V cos theta into D divided by V sin theta. This is the answer. Now guys, click yes if you have understood this. There are two things that we have done. This positive sign क्या बताता है बच्चा लोग? This positive sign, let me write this down for you. When VMR is along downstream, ठीक है? When this will be along downstream, तो हम एक plus लगाएंगे. Otherwise minus only, because x component will be added here. But if it will be upstream, x component will be subtracted there. All right, guys. बहुत बढ़िया. So this is the solution for this question. Might think, sir, we have solved only one question here. But if you talk about objective questions, we have solved 3 questions. Vandu, Yeradu, Muru, right? Muru or Nalu? Naluku means 4, right? Or 3? Vandu 1, Yeradu 2, and then Muru means 3, right? 3. Please let me know if I'm getting this correct, right? Naluku means 4, right? Yes, ठीक है. Aidu 5, Aru 6. What do you say? 7? 4 is Naluku. Allu. Okay, ठीक है. Thank you, Karthik. Okay. Come on, guys. Give me the answer for this one. Yellow. Okay, yellow. इसका आंसर करो, गिव मी द आंसर फॉर दिस वन. दिस इज थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट. A boat moves relative to water with a velocity v, and river is flowing with velocity 2v. At what angle the boat shall move with stream to have minimum drift? Tell me guys, when do you have minimum drift? Or tell me guys the condition for zero drift, because minimum value of drift is normally zero, right? We'll say sir drift zero ho jaye, maja aa jaye. That is the minimum value. But what is the condition for having zero drift? Bolo bachcha log. Very good Tanmay. What is the condition for zero drift? We have already studied this guys. Don't forget these things. Don't be true Gajni. I used to joke around you because of like we should have some fun in the class. At least thoda sa. When do you get minimum drift, zero drift? When sin theta is equal to कितना होता है बच्चा लोग? River is not in motion. अयो कैसे बोल रहा है बच्चा? कार्तिक, see the question. A boat moves relative to. तुम्हें कैसे मालूम river move नहीं कर? River is flowing with velocity 2v. Let me go back to last class. Minimum drift, where are you? Yeah. Condition when boat will reach just opposite point on the other bank. There x is equal to 0, the minimum value of x. And when x is 0, what is the value of theta? Do you remember this guys? याद है आपको? Sin inverse VR by VBR, right? But there was a condition, there was a limitation. What if VR is greater than VBR? What if VR is greater than VBR? If VR is greater than VBR, then sin theta will be greater than 1, and then you can say boat will never reach the opposite point, or you can write boat will never have zero drift. All right guys, so boat will never have zero drift if VR is greater than VBR. Condition देखो यहाँ पे. What is the condition we are having here? What is VR here? What is VBR here? Don't we have VR greater than VBR? Clear hai? Ideally, can we say that if VR is less than VBR, then minimum drift would have been 0. Would have been 0. And theta would have been sin inverse of, याद करो बच्चा लोग क्या लिखा? Sin inverse of VR divided by VBR. Guys, I'm revising these things so that you should not forget this part. I'm writing this again and again so that you should not forget this. So if VR is less than VBR, the minimum drift would have been 0 and theta would have been sin inverse of VR by VBR. But in this case, VR is greater than VBR, hence minimum drift will not be equal to 0. Guys, click yes if you have understood this part, because if you have understood this part, then only you can understand the next part here. समझ में आया सबको बच्चा लोग कि drift here 0 नहीं हो सकता है. That means the boat can never reach the just opposite point. Boat will reach somewhere else. ठीक है? अच्छा. So what will be the minimum drift in other case? So let us find out what is the value of drift. So x का value क्या होता है बच्चा लोग? VR minus VBR sin theta into W divided by VBR cos theta. How do you find minimum and maximum value, guys? One of the minimum value is x. If I talk about the other one, tell me guys, how do you find the minimum and maximum value of any function? कैसे निकालते हो? जल्दी से बताओ. Using differentiation, the application of differentiation, right? Janak sir must have taught you this, how to find maximum and minimum value, right? तो क्या करेंगे बच्चा लोग? So for minimum value of x, we'll write dx by d theta is equal to 0. Very good, Tanmay. We'll differentiate x. Acha, y with respect to theta. Now there is a question. If you understand this, you know the answer. If you don't understand this, we'll just try to figure out, sir, why not with respect to VR? Why not with respect to VB? Why with respect to theta only? Because theta is the variable here. The value of x changes as you change the theta. Because rest everything is constant. So you have to differentiate with respect to theta only. Differentiate karo bachcha log. I know few of you will start trembling with fear, sir. I don't know how to differentiate, sir. Tell me, what will be the differentiation here? If you multiply it here, you'll get VR divided by VBR sec theta minus W tan theta. This is the simplification of x. So I need to differentiate this with respect to x theta. And I have to equate this with 0. Tell me, what is differentiation of sec theta, guys? What is differentiation of sec theta? Come on, guys, give me the answer in the chat. What is differentiation of sec theta? Come on, bachcha log, jaldi se answer karo. Bhul gaya sab? Guys, don't you remember the differentiation of sec theta? VR by VBR is constant. Take it out. Differentiation of sec theta is sec theta into tan theta. Gajni log, please don't forget these things. What is differentiation of sec theta? It's sec theta into cos theta, right? Correct hai? Minus W. What is differentiation of tan theta? Sec square theta is equal to 0. So sec theta here and one of the sec theta here, they'll get cancelled. 0 by something will get cancelled. All right. अच्छा, आगे बताओ, आगे क्या करें? चलो. So can I write VR divided by VBR is equal to sec theta divided by tan theta, and then this can be written as 1 by sin theta. So from here I can say sin theta is equal to VBR divided by VR. So when will you get x as minimum? Tell me, guys, when will you get x as minimum? So this is the condition. So condition for minimum drift except 0. Guys, click yes if you have understood this. But chalo, click yes if you have understood this. This was the special case. What if VR is greater than VBR? Then what will be the maximum value? Then what is the answer? But chalo, क्या ये W तो दोनों जगह है ना यार, W कैंसिल हो जाएगा. I don't have to take W here. See, W is here also, right? W will go to the right hand side. 0 by W will be 0 only. So that W will be cancelled only. I don't have to worry about the W. This W is multiplied both the sides. ठीक है? अब बताओ, what is the answer for this question? What is the answer for this question? So at what angle the boat shall move with the stream? ध्यान से देखना, आंसर बताना अच्छे से. At what angle the boat shall move with the stream? Here what is theta? Here theta is what? The angle with the normal. So solution to the above question, sin theta is equal to V divided by 2V is equal to 1 by 2. Theta is equal to 30 degree. This is the angle with normal to the flow. This is the angle with normal to the flow. So what will be the angle with flow of river? बोलो बच्चा लोग. It will be 90 plus 30 degrees. So what is the answer? 120 degrees. तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या है बच्चा लोग, बोलो जल्दी से एक साथ. ऑप्शन डी फॉर दिल्ली, डी फॉर देहरादून. नाउ गाइस क्लिक यस इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. समझ में आया सबको केस? अच्छा, फॉर दिस सॉल्यूशन do I need to do all these things every time? No, this was a kind of theory that you need to understand. Okay, this is the application that you should understand. All right, but the formula, final formula that you have to remember is this one. If VR is less than VBR, if VR is less than VBR, then the condition for minimum drift is sine inverse VR by VBR. If VR is greater than VBR, the condition for minimum drift is sine inverse of VBR by VR. बहुत सिंपल है, उल्टा हो जाता है, राइट? तो जो बड़ा होगा नीचे रहेगा, बिकॉज साइन थीटा कैन नॉट बी ग्रेटर देन 1. दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. गाइस क्लियर है सबको? गाइस एम आई क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? डू यू हैव एनी डाउट इन रिवर बोट प्रॉब्लम? दीज आर द टाइप्स दैट कैन बी यूज्ड. ये इससे ज्यादा टाइप का क्वेश्चन आपसे नहीं पूछा जा सकता. गाइस लेट मी नो इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट in riverboat problem. Acha, now I have experienced some changes. I have experienced some pattern here in the class. That few guys are actually answering me in advance only. Like they're answering me in a very short span of time. But few of you are not able to answer it at all. What is the reason behind that? The reason kya hai? The most of you are actually studying these things. You are revising these things. You are getting the answers, you're solving the numericals, you're referring some books. But most of you are not giving your part at your home. Okay? So I request all of you to please solve the questions. Please attempt the questions the moment it will be explained to you. If I am teaching you riverboat problem today, you should be able to solve the questions related to riverboat problem today itself. Then it will make more sense. You'll feel confident, you'll be updated, and then you can crack any of the examination with full confidence. Otherwise there will be a fluctuation in your confidence. When you solve it, you'll get the confidence. If you're not solving it, you will simply abuse me. मन में बोलेगा एक समझ नहीं आ रहा, फिजिक्स से डर लग रहा है. So this is what that is going to happen if you're not going to revise the concepts, if you're not going to solve the numericals in physics. And consider this as a pure, you can say that an universal truth. If you don't solve enough number of problem in physics, you cannot crack JEE, you cannot crack NEET. लिख लो, मैं ठप्पा लगा देता हूं. I have seen a lot of students, I have seen myself also. ठीक है? If you're not going to solve enough number of numerical in physics, you'll never ever be going to clear JEE or NEET. Ever. कुछ भी कर ले.